Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. Who doesn't love good transformation no matter your style preference? Your bedroom should be a dream-worthy spot complete with comfy linens and furniture that matches your style. If you're looking to update your current bedroom, this video will help you discover bedroom decorating ideas and door types, so you can master the part of designing your perfect bedroom. Let's get started, but before we start, please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, inspire them, and subscribe us if you haven't already to watch new interesting videos. Pick your design style. Your bedroom should reflect your personality and personal style. This room should also influence relaxation thanks to its calming ambience. Choose your colors. To give your bedroom a fresh look, you want to choose the colors to work with, and those you don't want to incorporate. This will influence the overall look and ambience in your bedroom. Natural colors like soothing ice blues, cream whites, soft grays, and beige feel like fresh air when you walk into the room. They add an ethereal, dreamly quality to every space, but also offer a ton of versatility, making them particularly well suited for the bedroom. Choosing your colors allows you to come up with a color palette featuring color that being well. Many decors takes a minimalist approach with color and add pops of color just to bring life to the room. A comforting color palette is what you need to feel asleep quicker. Tired of white paint? A white bedroom can look light, airy, and pretty when you're done right, but sometimes you want a bit more. You can paint your walls any color or create unique gallery wall. Bring in furniture, fabric, and bedding that features with your favorite color, and inject a bunch of extra style into your bedroom. Start layering items with textures, mixing fabrics, and you're switching up color scheme seasonally. This will take it to the next level. Consider the size, layout of your room. The size and layout of your room will determine what space you have to work with. It will also affect the utilization of the space regard to the furniture arrangement. For instance, will you need room for a large closet or a home office in your bedroom? Clean your space from unconsulted things and clutter. Remove all items lying on tabletops, including paperwork, into the bin and arrange what should be. Place dirty clothes in the hammer and healthy. Arrange your wardrobe and declutter your wardrobe if you have to. Clean the floors, windows, and change to the fresh curtains, sheets, rugs, and bed linens. Refresh your walls. If you haven't experienced the feeling of looking around your bedroom and no longer being satisfied or inspired by the interiors, there are quick ways to refresh your space and give it a new look. Your walls should be a good start. You can repaint your walls or create an accent wall by adding wallpaper. Upgrade your bed. The bed should be the first thing you need to consider when arranging the furniture in the bedroom, whether small or large. Once you know what there be placed, arrange the rest of your furniture be a lot easier. Choosing a premium quality bed can improve the quality of your sleep immeasurably. We can compete with the quality beds. This improved level of rest can actually have a big impact on the way we learn and how we store memories. Have bedside lighting. Pros recommend light layering in the bedroom to keep the comforting ambience. While dark bedrooms are great for sleeping, they hinder other activities like dressing or reading. On the other hand, bright lighting can affect the relaxed environment. Some people can't sleep in a brightly lit room, since no single fixture can effectively serve all bedroom lighting needs. A combination of controlled task lighting and built-in ambient light is recommended. Think wall-mounted lamps, pendant lamps, or personalized nightstands. Invest Invest in a high-grade dresser. The next thing to go inside the room after your bed is dresser. Invest a high-quality dresser because, like the bed, your dresser should be a focal and statement piece in the room. A beautiful dresser allows storage space for your clothes, and optimizing the space is key to ensuring your space doesn't look cluttered. Organize it well, and it will make a style statement. Also remember to keep enough space between the dresser and your closet, so that you can open all drawers and doors. In the end, please tell us what you think about this video in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget hit the bottom chair, share this video with your friends, inspire them, and subscribe us if you haven't already to watch new interesting videos. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.